Good morning Year 10, it's the 4th of June and today we're going to move on from congruent shapes after yesterday's worksheet, which was quite difficult, onto similar shapes. Now remember, similar shapes is just an enlargement. So a similar shape is where one is just an enlargement of the other. Now for enlargements there's some really important things. The first thing is we've got to find out the scale factor. And so here's a typical example below of what it will look like and what you're going to look at today. The enlargements are not always whole numbers, they can be decimals, so you might need a calculator as you go through. I've got mine here. And so what we're going to look at is, we're looking at our two shapes and we're looking for the place where we've got the same measurement or a measurement on the same side. So if I look at this 4 centimetres, well that goes to Y, so I can't do anything with it. This 15 goes to X. Angles is something else completely different. The one I'm looking at is this 3 and this 9. Now to work out your scale factor, what you have to do is you do your big number, your 9, divided by your little number, your 3. So my scale factor in this case is 3. And I'm going to use that all the way through. Now what will make it even easier is I'm going to put some arrows in. So to get from this shape to this shape, I'm going to times by that scale factor. To get from this shape to this shape, I'm going to divide by that scale factor. So now I can start to work out all my different measurements. So if I want Y, I look at the same side on the other shape. I go 4 times by 3. Well, that means that Y must be 12. Don't forget your units, it's centimetres. Going the other way, I've got 15 divide by 3 equals X. So 15 divided by 3, so X is 5 centimetres. Last but not least, I've got my angles. Now we've got to remember that in similar shapes, our angles don't change, it's only our sides that change, which means straight away Z is 32 degrees, and that's the typical exam mistake. Now what you've got to look at today is you've got a worksheet with lots of these on. Okay, there's an example at the top, there's 3 pages worth, they get more difficult as you go through. As usual, complete the worksheet, upload a photo, mark your answers and let me know your score. Have a good day.